Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to fix 0x80070002 Windows 10 update error. So I am going to show you the two methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method, you just need to click on the troubleshoot in the left menu of this page. So once you click on it, you will find here a step of the interface. Here in the right side, you have to just click on the additional troubleshooters. So once you are here, you will find here an option of the Windows Update. So you have to just click on this Windows Update option and then click on the Run the Troubleshooter. So once you click on this option here, a processing will start for detecting your problem. It will automatically detect and resolve your issue. You have to be patient. This process may take about 5 to 10 minutes. You have to be patient for this time. After this, you have to just retry to check for the update and your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our second method, you have to just click on the search icon in your system and then search here for the services. So once you find it, you have to just click to open the services option. So once you are here in your services, you have to just find here an option of the Windows Update. So in order to find this option, you have to just scroll down and at the bottom of this list, you will find here this option of the Windows Update. So once you find it, you have to just right click on this option here and click on the properties option. Once you open these properties, you have to just click on the startup type. It will be in the manual mode by default. You have to turn it to the automatic one. After this, you have to just click on the apply and then OK. And right after that, close all of the windows and then restart your system one time. After restarting, again check for the update and your problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.